I'm Jen Rinaldi. I teach in the Legal Studies program at Ontario Tech. In legal studies, we study social issues through the lens of law, because law has such a role to play in shaping our lives from the macro to the intimate. It determines what kinds of medical assistance we have when we're dying. It determines what's in a child's best interest when it comes to parental arrangements. It determines how governments police our borders or suspend civil liberties in times of public health crises. In legal studies, we consider all these things from the premise that law is fluid, it's malleable, and responds to technological innovation and political movements and social change. We approach these problems expansively, but also in very pragmatic ways, so that you might learn law's mechanisms, how legal systems work, how we resolve disputes between parties, how we uphold rights, and when those rights can be limited. Those are topics that I'm fascinated by and passionate about, and I think I share that in common with my colleagues in legal studies. If these are topics that are of interest to you, I look forward to seeing you in my classes.